machining program is a program that's designed for individuals who have a propensity in dealing with machining. They already have a pretty good idea that they have an interest in working with their hands, and they would like to learn more about how to actually get involved with this. So the program is actually designed around teaching basics as to how do you measure a project, how do you actually deal with the different types of machines that are in there. And the machines are pretty comprehensive. They're incredible machinery, and at some point in time the kids, when they actually get a chance to look at it, they're thinking, wow, these things are just huge, they're humongous, and how do I actually get started on that? And we just step through it slowly so that they have a comfort with the different machines, how to measure, and how to do different projects.
I use a lot of geometry and trigonometry from my math class, and a lot of physics when you have to deal with certain metals from other classes. But it's going to set me up for my career when I get out of high school. It's giving me a lot of knowledge that I think is very important for the
I took this class is honestly, I was really interested in what was here and offered here. Not a lot of people tend to take this class. I mean, you mostly have people coming in from 1-2s, but it's a good class. I mean, if you want to learn how to machine something, do a part of engineering that's normally not seen, or at least idolized, machining's a good class.
Subjects that I've applied to this class are a lot of mathematics, and then like leadership and group work that I would do in other classes I applied here, but mainly mathematics. We are working on a hammer that has a soft side and a hard side in order to hammer different materials.
I have a passion for this. It's not something that I do just as a hobby. I really enjoy this transcending to the students, and I really want them to have an opportunity to see that college doesn't always have to be. It's there, there's no doubt, and it's for a lot of people, but it's not for everyone. And you get a chance to make an incredible income in the aerospace industry, or these job shops that actually feed the need in the automotive industry. There's a lot of different opportunities for people to make an incredible income and also ride on an incredible passion.